If you are looking for remote internship, then this video is for you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. And in this video, I am going to show you how can you apply a popular well-known company like Sony and how can you apply their internship. All of these details. So before starting today's video, please like and share. And if you are new, please subscribe. Go to Sony Research India official LinkedIn page and you can see this position is LLM Research Intern and it is updated recently posted 6 hours ago. And now what is have to do in this internship is basically you just click on this more about of this internship and it will redirect in new page. And here is the job description. Position is LLM research intern and this is fully remote internship. You can see and skills are required LLM and NMT. LLM means large language models and NMT means neural machine translation. And what you have to do in this, basically you have to collaborate with research scientists and you have to work with team members on fundamental development activities. Also, you have to work in language model training and development tasks for neural machine translation, and also you have to work for Southeast Asian language translation. And additionally, you have to contribute to publication oriented research activities, including large language model based machine translation and synthetic data generation and other emerging fields in LLM research. And it is fully remote and duration of this internship is 6 months and it will start from October 1st week 2024 and the time is you have to work 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. And what have your eligibility, you have to must PhD or master from computer science background or bachelor with hands-on experience on NLM. NLMP means natural language model processing, and also you have to know LLMs and Python, and you have must have your strong you have to must strong in software development skill and familiar with deep learning and machine learning frameworks. And also you have to clear in communication English oral and by written both. And also you have to decent knowledge on the state of the art of NLP and NMT, LLM and generative AI. And there are some additional skills required. You have to passionate about solving hard technical problem, and also you have to experience in language model development for Southeast Asian language. And one additional is you have, if you have ability to speak of the major languages in the Southeast Asian area, then it is preferred. It is not mandatory, they have mentioned it is not mandatory. And also you have to good publication records, you have to good publication records. And there are some values are added: dreams and curiosity, diversity and integrity and sincerity and sustainability. And the deadline is not mentioned, and if you apply this, then apply this as soon as possible because you can see over than 100 applicants till applied already and it is one day ago updated. So apply this to secure this internship. And now question is how can you apply? You can apply, go to this their official website, just click on this and it will open in new tab and you can see it is Sony career page. And here they have updated job and internship related, and just click on this apply button and it will open the page. Just click on this apply and it will open again in LinkedIn page. Okay, you can apply through LinkedIn, so just click on this easy to apply and then you have to fill your just simply your email ID and your active mobile number. And also you have to they will ask your updated CV or resume. You have to upload updated CV or resume. And if you in your resume must mention the skills. If you have not any skills in among this like large language model and neural machine translation, then your chance is too low to qualify because they are basically required skills at these two one. So you have to must mention of these skills if you have skill on this, and I will share this link in description, don't worry. And if you have any query, please comment me. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you in next video. Still then, tata, bye bye.